Welcome to another Richland Community Library Take and Make craft tutorial. Today we will be making tassel keychains. Before we begin, I want to draw your attention to the description box below the video, which will have a link to the supply list as well as the step-by-step instructions. So without further ado, let's begin. In your kit, you will have received a skein of embroidery thread and a lanyard clip. You will also need a pair of scissors and some glue. You're going to start off by leaving the paper around your embroidery thread. You're then going to cut off roughly about 24 inches of embroidery thread and set it aside. Take the paper wrapped around the embroidery thread and pull it to one side of the thread. Get as high as you can on the thread without completely removing it. This will make it easier for you to secure the lanyard hook. Carefully pull the embroidery thread through the bottom of the hook until it is completely on the thread. This might take some maneuvering to find a method that works for you. Once the lanyard clip is completely on, you can move the clip to the center of the embroidery thread and remove the paper. Make sure that the clip is exactly in the center of the thread. Then take the 24 inches of embroidery thread that you cut off at the beginning and wrap it around the top of your thread right under the clasp. When you get to the very end of the thread, you're going to use a little bit of glue to glue it down. Take your scissors and trim the loops of the embroidery thread at the very bottom, and then follow that up by trimming all of your thread to an even length. And there you have it, embroidery thread tassel keychains.